The Letters module is the most important of the three modules. The Letters module guides and organizes all the activities that follow its sequence and instructions. Each letter or letter combination has a number above each entry. That number is the recommended sequence or order to guide all the activities. The first four letters, N, M, T, and S, are labeled as 0. This indicates that these four letters should be introduced first. These four letters are identified as the easiest to teach younger or beginner students. Additionally, their corresponding vocabulary and sentences are easier than those of the subsequent and following letter activities. As you have already noticed, when you click on a letter, that particular letter opens up, and its upper and lowercase interpretations are presented. Right below the letter, you will observe a menu with the following labels: vocabulary, sentences, read, audio, blending board, and resources. The vocabulary tab will display the vocabulary or keywords specific to that letter. In some instances or letter activities, you will notice red words or tricky words. These words do not follow phonetic patterns. Therefore, they require separate introduction with distinct instructions, methods, and modalities. We include them so you can be aware that these tricky words are necessary for instruction and sentence writing. The next tab is Sentences. Here you will be presented with sentences that include the keywords for the letter-sound combination being presented. The Read tab displays one or two reading passages that feature the target letter or letters and their usage within a contextual text. They are known as decodable readings. The Audio tab features audio with the phonetic interpretation of the letter or letters in question. The Blending Board tab has an external tool that can assist you in blending activities for you and your students or children learners. The Resources tab will be discussed in a separate video, which will provide a detailed explanation of the available resources and their utilization. Finally, various features on all the modules can help make this tool more efficient and useful. A collapsible menu for better viewing and navigation. A display with the number of items presented on each page. A sort button that will allow you to sort and view records by lesson or letter. A search button that will allow you to focus on specific activities. It will enable you to search by specific lesson activity number, specific letter or letter combinations, specific groups such as vowels, consonants, or digraphs. The Letters module guides the other two modules, Words and Sentences.